What if I told you there are living beings on Earth that have silently watched over our planet for thousands of years? These towering giants, standing firm against time and change, are more than just trees. They are storytellers, guardians of ecosystems, and living reminders of nature's resilience. From the Baobab's water-filled trunk to the sky-piercing heights of Hyperion, these natural wonders offer more than just shade and oxygen. They carry the whispers of history, the pulse of life, and the promise of a future connected to the roots of our past. In today's exploration, we'll journey through forests and myths, uncovering the secrets of the world's largest and most remarkable trees. Along the way, we'll learn how these silent architects shape our ecosystems, inspire cultures, and teach us valuable lessons about survival, community, and legacy. Prepare to see the planet's most extraordinary trees in a whole new light, and perhaps rediscover your own connection to the natural world. The role of trees in our world. Trees are the silent architects of life on Earth, providing critical ecological, cultural, and even spiritual benefits. They are life-givers in every sense of the word. Imagine a single tree absorbing up to 48 pounds of carbon dioxide each year, releasing oxygen back into the air, and serving as a home for countless organisms, from insects to birds. Beyond their biological functions, trees are deeply rooted in human culture, symbolizing strength, growth, and connection. Consider how the Baobab tree of Africa, the mighty General Sherman in the US, or the ancient Tane Mahuta in New Zealand have shaped both ecosystems and stories. These trees aren't merely part of the landscape. They are history books, chronicling the passage of time and humanity's evolving relationship with nature. The Tree of Life, Baobab. The baobab is a symbol of survival, adaptability, and sustenance. Known as the Tree of Life, it thrives in the arid landscapes of Africa, with its massive trunk serving as a natural reservoir. These trees can live for over 3,000 years, standing tall as lifelines for the communities around them. In a small village in Madagascar, a single baobab tree provides water during the dry season. Villagers tap into its reservoir-like trunk to extract the water needed to survive. It is not just a tree, it is hope, security, and continuity. The baobab's fruits, rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, are a source of nutrition. Its leaves and bark are used for traditional medicine, and its roots are woven into local folklore. This tree teaches us a profound lesson. Resources should be cherished, not squandered, as they are the foundation of survival. General Grant, the living shrine. Deep in California's Kings Canyon National Park, the General Grant tree stands as both a natural marvel and a historical monument. At 268 feet tall, it has earned the title of the nation's Christmas tree. But its significance goes beyond its height. It has been declared a living shrine to honor fallen soldiers. The bark of General Grant contains tannins, making it highly resistant to fire and pests. This resilience allows it to thrive where others may perish. During World War II, soldiers visited this giant tree, carving initials into nearby stumps to mark their presence and pay homage. Decades later, descendants of these soldiers have returned, finding those initials and feeling a powerful connection to the past. General Grant is a reminder that nature's endurance can mirror our own resilience. It tells us that even amidst adversity, growth is possible and meaningful. Tane Mahuta, the god of the forest. In the dense forests of New Zealand, Tane Mahuta towers over the landscape. At over 2,000 years old, this kauri tree holds a sacred place in Maori culture. According to legend, Tane Mahuta is the deity who created the world by separating the earth and sky, bringing light into existence. For Maori communities, Tane Mahuta represents harmony between humanity and the natural world. The tree is treated with reverence, and visitors are encouraged to approach it with respect. Conservationists have built boardwalks around the tree to protect its roots from disease and human interference. This tree symbolizes interconnectedness, a reminder that humans are part of nature, not separate from it. Its story encourages us to seek balance in our relationship with the environment. The tree of Tule, a wonder of width. In Oaxaca, Mexico, the tree of Tule captures the imagination with its unparalleled trunk circumference of 137 feet. Believed to be over 2,000 years old, this Montezuma cypress has become a focal point of local folklore and community identity. Locals claim the tree's twisted trunk contains shapes of animals, from jaguars to elephants, sparking the imaginations of children and adults alike. During annual festivals, the tree becomes the heart of celebrations, uniting the community in a shared appreciation of its majesty. The tree of Tule demonstrates that size is not just about height, but also about the strength to remain rooted through centuries. It challenges us to recognize and respect enduring natural wonders in our midst. The ecosystem builders, banyan trees. Banyan trees are ecosystems within themselves. With sprawling canopies supported by aerial roots, these trees can cover several acres, providing shelter to countless species of plants and animals. The Thimama Marimanu banyan in India is a striking example, covering over 5 acres. Legend has it that this tree grew from a funeral pole, and today, it is a pilgrimage site for couples seeking blessings for fertility. Beneath its canopy, birds, insects, and mammals thrive, creating a dynamic microcosm of life. Banyan trees remind us of the power of connection. Just as their roots support vast canopies, human communities thrive when built on strong, interconnected foundations. Hyperion, a towering secret. At over 380 feet, Hyperion, a coast redwood in California, is the tallest tree on Earth. Its exact location is a closely guarded secret to protect it from human interference, underscoring the fragility of even the mightiest giants. Hyperion thrives because of its efficient nutrient recycling system and its shallow but interconnected roots. This collaboration with neighboring trees ensures survival in the dense redwood forests. The secrecy surrounding Hyperion serves as a reminder that not all treasures are meant to be shared. Some are best preserved through quiet admiration. Lessons from the forest. The stories of these remarkable trees offer timeless lessons. 1. Adaptability. Like the Baobab, thriving in extreme conditions, we too can find ways to flourish despite challenges. 2. Resilience. Trees like General Grant show us the power of endurance through adversity. 3. Interconnection. The banyan teaches us that strength lies in relationships and collaboration. 4. Legacy. Ancient giants like Tane Mahuta encourage us to think beyond ourselves, emphasizing the importance of sustainability. A call to protect and preserve these trees, while awe-inspiring, are vulnerable to threats like climate change, deforestation, and disease. Their survival depends on collective action, supporting conservation, planting trees, and reducing our ecological footprint. By preserving these natural monuments, we safeguard the stories, ecosystems, and lessons they embody for future generations. Let these silent guardians inspire us to act with urgency and purpose. As we conclude this journey through some of the most extraordinary trees on Earth, one thing becomes clear. These silent guardians are far more than natural marvels. They are living chronicles of time, silent witnesses to history, and caretakers of countless lives. From the steadfast Baobab in the African savanna to the secret heights of Hyperion in California, each tree carries a message of resilience, interconnection, and hope. But perhaps the most profound revelation is what they teach us about ourselves. Their ability to endure through centuries, create life within their ecosystems, and inspire awe reminds us of our role as stewards of the earth. These giants invite us to pause, reflect, and ask, what legacy will we leave behind? So the next time you pass a tree, don't just see its bark or branches. Look deeper. Imagine the stories it holds, the life it sustains, and the lessons it offers. These silent giants are not just part of our world. They are its foundation, its lungs, and its soul. Let their wisdom inspire us to nurture and protect the world they so generously sustain.